Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Hotspot Shield can't connect issue on your PC or laptop. As you can see, I am on the official app of Hotspot Shield VPN. What you face is when you click on the issue, it fails connecting. So what are the solutions? So the first solution is just go to the App Store or Play Store or like on browser on your PC or laptop and search Hotspot Shield VPN. And once you search this Hotspot Shield VPN, make sure to download the latest version of the app or just update the app if you have any updates. And once the app is updated, just restart the app completely, and once you restart, try again. And if you still face the issue, what you can do is just go to the delete or uninstall section in your phone. As you can see, I'm here. Just click on remove app and confirm it, delete the app. So in that way the whole connection system will be deleted. And if you are on Android, just clear the data, clear the cache, or just uninstall and reinstall, and same process on your PC and laptop. So delete the app, again download it from your Play Store or App Store, and once you again download, hopefully your issue will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how to fix Hotspot Shield cannot connect.